Yo, what's going on, fellas? We back with another one, and today this video is gonna be a little sponsorship video from over at the warehouse, the one and the only, the Lasfit. If you don't know about them, you've been misinformed, because let me tell you, let me show you what we got. But yeah, I mean, these bulbs, like, just looking at them compared to the other ones, like, look how big these things are. These things are massive, and these are the switchback blinker bulbs. And then these here, oh yeah, we did get some stickers, nice. And we got 3, red, white, and black. They did hook me up with some stickers this time. But yeah, here's the bulbs for the high beams. These things look pretty good quality as well. My phone will focus. Come on, focus. There we go. 9005. Typically, everything I get from Lasfit though is like top tier quality. I mean, like everything I've purchased from them or they've sent me, like even the floor mats for the 2020 Silverado I had, even those are real good quality. But we're gonna be switching out the switchback bulbs that Auto One Light or Auto One LED sent me with the Lasfit bulbs, and I'm just gonna give y'all like a side-by-side comparison on the two, because these things are like massive compared to the other ones. Let me turn this thing off so y'all can actually hear what's going on. Nope, don't want to hear that either. But yeah, these things are massive. Let me show y'all the back. And these things are not supposed to have hyper flash. I know a guy commented on the other video of the other bulbs that I didn't do no research on the ones that I bought off Amazon, but he said a lot of the comments were saying that they had hyper flash, which mine don't right now, but they could. But I'm pretty sure these say they don't have hyper flash. I think these are pretty pricey too, but I mean, you get what you pay for. Like, look, these things are like, the tops of these are big as quarters, if that tells you anything. Let me take these headlights, and that's how you know they made these trucks easy to work on. You can take the headlight out with one hand. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come out of there. Let me show y'all one of these. That's what's so nice about these trucks, man. You can actually work on them. Like those new trucks, you can't. Bulbs hot. These bulbs get hot quick. But yeah, let me set the camera up real quick. Maybe if I can. There we go, right there. We'll point it at the neighbor's house. Let y'all get some footage of the cows over there grazing. Ow! Yeah, these bulbs get hot. Get off me, get off me. Come out of there. Okay, let me just give y'all a side-by-side comparison of these two. Like, look at that, that is crazy. All right, fellas, we got it in there. Let me shut this hood down. I did have to do a little notching. I just took out this back piece here. And the same thing over here. I just notched that out a little bit right here. But they are in there. Oh man, I must have bumped that wire. That's an easy fix though. They're not that bright as far as the running lights, but let me turn these blinkers on for you. Oh yeah, man, check out them high beams though. Nice and white. Let me turn on the flashers for you. The 4 ways. Now check these things out. These things are stupid bright. That's so cool. Nice and bright. But yeah, if you guys are looking to get you some bulbs, man, that looks weird with that thing out. Another thing I gotta do. That's an easy fix though. But yeah, if you guys are looking for some bulbs, I'll leave a link in the description for these. That's the bulb number for that one. I think this one's 1157D, I want to say. Almost 100% sure that's 1157, the bulb number. Let me see if this has the bulb number on it. But yeah, and I believe I have a discount code if I can find it. I'll leave a link for that in the description as well. Because literally every blinker bulb and stuff I get, 9 times out of 10 it's going to be Lasfit. Unless I'm just, you know, buying some cheap ones off Amazon. You can't run your fog lights with your flashers on? Is that what I'm hearing? Let me see if they're on now, because that's weird. I didn't know that. Huh, I guess you can't run your... But literally all the lights are on except high beams. I gotta get that fixed, man. That's what I'm gonna do when I turn this video off. It's gotta be one of them loose pin connectors. Them things are nice in some cases, but... And they're fiddling around with stuff, pulling stuff, moving stuff. I must have knocked one of those connectors loose. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for the bulbs just in case anybody wants to pick them a pair up. And I'll look and see if I can find that discount code as well. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe. Peace.